I am Dr. Charan Lanjeva, Professor of Cardiology at St. GS Medical College and KM Hospital, Mumbai. Today I am going to talk on heart failure, which is a part of BIT campaign, the awareness program of Times of India for public. So, heart failure does not mean that the heart has stopped working. Rather, it means that the heart works less efficiently than normal. Burden of heart failure in India is almost 3 times than Western countries. Around 50% Indians are at risk of developing heart failure during their lifetime. Comparing with Western population, our patients develop this condition at a more younger age and with high death rate. It is caused by many conditions that damage the heart muscle and reduces its heart function. Its rising incidence in India is due to lack of awareness of diseases, lack of adequate healthcare facilities, which leads to delayed treatment. Also, rising heart attacks, hypertension, diabetes, high numbers of smokers, persistence of diseases like rheumatic heart disease and untreated congenital heart diseases. Patients generally present with shortness of breath, swollen legs, dizziness, fatigue, and rapid heart rates. Treatment mainly is lifestyle modification and medications coupled with careful monitoring, which are the most important first steps. Lifestyle modification in the form of you have to stop smoking, adequate weight control, strict control of the high blood pressure, cholesterol levels and diabetes. Exercise regularly but don't overdo it. Simply walk for 20 to 25 minutes daily. Do not drink excessive alcohol. So what government can do? Dedicated heart failure screening centers can be started across the India. They can reduce the cost of new drugs like ARNI and devices or make it freely available in different government schemes. So with strict adherence to lifestyle and newer medications, there is increase in the lifespan of heart failure patients with almost near normal lifestyle. So to conclude, my dear friends, let us follow these simple steps and keep our heart healthy. Once again, thanks to BIT campaign of Times of India.